Hey, Mr. G here, and we're going to be going over the B minor pentatonic scale. This is what it looks like and sounds like. So the first note here is on the 5th string, 2nd fret. That's a B with the index finger. And the next note we're going to play is that open D on the 4th string. And then the next note with the index finger is that E on the 4th string, 2nd fret. Then the next note we're going to play is that 4th string, 4th fret with the ring finger, that F sharp. Then the next note is on the 3rd string with the index finger on the 2nd fret, that's that A. Then the next note is that open B on the 2nd string. Then the next note is that D on the 2nd string, 3rd fret with the middle finger. Then that open E on the 1st string. Then the 1st string with the index finger, that F sharp on the 2nd fret. Then with the little finger, that A on the 5th fret of the 1st string. Then you slide that little finger up to the 7th fret and play that B. Hey, again, it's Mr. G. Thanks for watching the video. Keep on jamming.